Hi, it's Sonia here from Just Women's Business, and I want to show you how you can make a beautiful outline around some text in Canva. It's super easy, so let's get started. So basically what you want to do is just say create a text. So I might say something like thank you. Now you might want to make that really pop out on your template. So what we want to do is type R on the keyboard for rectangle and just say we want to, I'll just pop that around there. So obviously the text is in the front and the rectangle's in the back. Now we want to pop an outline, so while the rectangle's highlighted, you've got a color option and a line or border style. So you've got solid, you've got dotted, you've got mini dots, you've got, or actually dashes, dots, and you can make them in really tiny points, or you could make them in like a much bigger one, which whatever you like. But for this one, I always like to use one, and I'm going to go to the plain line. So while the hollow circle's outlined, it's saying the outline is black and the inside color of the box is green. So what we want to do is make the green go to white. Click off and you'll see that the outline is still there. But if you want to change the color, you go back to the hollow part is what changes the color. So we might want to make it green. No, it was green, so we'll make it black. And you might want to do the infill a lighter color, like something like a pale pink. So it's just another way of making text or a certain part of your template pop really well in Canva. Sometimes the template can get you can get confused, and it can sometimes get pushed away, and you think, oh, why won't it show in front of the box? But if you click one or the other, like pop that over the top and then hit forward, it'll bring it forward. So yeah, have fun with it. It does really make your template really pop where you want it to.